Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this beautiful Sangeet makeup tutorial for you guys, and I have opted for this beautiful blue and pink smoky eyes with some glitter, and this gorgeous jewelry looks beautiful. Also guys, I have only used Wiseshe makeup tools for this video. I have used their foundation brush, makeup sponges and two eyeshadow brush to create this beautiful look. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look for Sangeet, I mean, you can wear this look on your wedding day, on your reception day. Also, if you're going for a wedding function, you can definitely wear this look. So anyway guys, if you want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. I am starting with the primer. I'm using the Wet n Wild Matte Primer. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm in the shade 310. The brush here I'm using is from Wiseshe, as I'm using Wiseshe products. This is the Pro Base foundation brush and this is a very dense brush. You can see how beautifully it's blending my foundation. So for my concealer, I'm using the Sugar Concealer, and to blend it out, I'm using the Wise Blender, and this is a very soft and squishy blender. I have also reviewed this on my channel. I'm going to mention the link down in the description box below. For my contour, I'm using the NY Base stick, and the brush I'm using is the same Pro Base brush, and this brush is good with every product you use. It can be used with liquid or cream products, and it is blending my contour really nicely. Setting my face with the Luxury Banana Powder by Makeup Revolution. First I'm just going to bake it under my eyes, under the contour, and then I'm going to use the same sponge to just press it down on my skin. I'm using the same sponge to apply my blush. I'm using the smaller sponge to blend out my highlighter, and the highlighter I'm using is from Colourpop and this is in the shade Wisp. I did my brows off camera. Now applying the same concealer on my eyelids. For eye makeup, I'm using the Revolution Pro Mischief palette. Taking this shade with my Pro Smudge brush and applying that on my crease. Now taking this beautiful pink shade on my Pro Shadow brush and I'm going to blend out my crease. So I'm gradually building up the intensity of the shadow and also blending out really nicely so that there is no harsh lines. Now I'm applying the same shades on my lower lash line with the Pro Smudge brush. With the same brush, I'm applying that pink shade on my inner third of my eyelid. Now going back with the same blue shade and the Pro Smudger brush, I'm going to blend out my outer corner. For glitter, I'm using the Color Essence Liquid Glitter Eyeliner and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid, and also I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Applying the same highlighter on my brow bone and also on my inner corner with the Pro Smudge brush. Now guys, I'm using the Wiseshe Lash Curler to curl my eyelashes, and then I'm using the Chambord Lengthening Mascara. So for my falsies, I went with Geet eyelash and this is a beautiful wispy eyelash. For my lips, I went with the Sugar Matte Attack lipstick. First I'm using the shade Daft Pink 08 and then I'm going with the shade 07, which is Peach Wood MAC. So I finished my look with the Mangtika gorgeous earrings and a bindi. So guys, this is my finished look. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you guys like this makeup combo, do let me know in the comment section below, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any other video requests, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I am going to mention the product details down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Thank you for watching guys. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye guys.